So it's important to give you a brief about Salam as a company. So it's 20 years old company. At that period of time, we had invested and developed a lot in the infrastructure of fiber and even the wireless. From fiber perspective, we're connecting nearly 45,000 kilometers of fiber that is spread through long hauls, metro fiber, and even connecting the border countries. We added to that the submarine cables at the east coast of Saudi Arabia, a city called Khobar, and the west coast, a city called Jeddah. From that perspective, we had built that digital infrastructure capability, and we're moving from being a carrier to be a digital enabler, digital corridor enabler, where we would like to connect east to west, Asia to Europe, which goes in alignment with the Saudi Vision 2030, and also promote Saudi Arabia to be the digital hub and be part of enabling the hyperscalers, the CDNs, and so on. Today, if we look at the global digital infrastructure growth, it is expected to grow from $360 billion 2025 to reach a $1 trillion by 2030, which shows that the importance of the government, Saudi, as a country in the middle, is very important, and it makes us to focus more into accelerating the positioning of the digital hub. Let us look at the ecosystem itself. Definitely that AI is reshaping the network demand and infrastructure. The requirements we are receiving from the hyperscalers, the streamers, the gamers, it's platforms, it's giving more big indication that this network needs to be reshaped. If we look at the edge computing alone, it is expected to reach 424 billion by 2030, jumping from 51 billion 2023, which means that this is another indication that we need to look at our infrastructure and how we reshape it. Finally, us as Salam, we're looking at the edge infrastructure, where this will enable the edge computing. And from that perspective, though, this goes also in alignment with the Saudi ICT digital strategy, where we need to focus into building that capability to accommodate the needs in the market. And what we are looking here is to focus into the nationwide broadband, high-speed broadband, and also the AI-ready infrastructure to enable this ecosystem. This is very important, but I think today it's all about partnerships. Partnership is a key word here. No doubt that there is major factors of having the venture capitals, having joint venture partnership, and also having the investment funds. So having the investment fund and the joint venture, it's a key factor to enable that. Yet, collaboration and partnering into that arena is very important. You can invest, you as a company, if you have a focus specialization, but if you have a portfolio that require different investments, I think having this kind of partnership will enable and accelerate achieving your goals. It's vital to have partnerships and collaboration. And I think the inter-regional partnership is very important here. This will enable, when we talk about the investments in this global infrastructure that's going to reach 1 trillion by 2030, it means that collaboration is a must here. Let's look at our customers. We are serving consumer, business, and operators and hyperscalers. And the technology is evolving. From that perspective, we're going to double down into having an AI-ready infrastructure, edge infrastructure interconnectivity, and increasing our global partnership. I think those are essential to accelerate and also to position us properly among other colleagues in the market.